In this video, we are going to learn how you can merge Google Forms responses in documents and send on WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you have created a form using your Google Forms account. Now you want that whenever the form is filled, automatically using the details of the form submission, a document should get generated into your Forms Tag Documents account using a template, and then the same document should be shared on the WhatsApp along with a message to the person who has submitted the form. For that, you need to integrate your Google Forms with Forms Tag Documents and then with WhatsApp also. So how you can integrate all these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Now, if you're a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as merge Google Forms responses in documents and send on WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a Google form is filled, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new document should get generated into your Forms Tag account and the same document should be sent on the WhatsApp number to your customer. For that, first we need to integrate Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. So let's open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Google Forms. Select the trigger event as new response received. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Google Forms. So let us read few of them. Google Form responses are collected in Google Sheets. So follow the below steps in order to get the new response. Go to the form on which you want to take the submission and make the last question as required for the trigger. So I'll just take you to the Google form which I have already created. Okay, I'll just move to the question section over here. Okay, that is Pabbly Education Academy registration form. Okay, and this particular registration form is for Java developer course where I'm collecting the details, that is the name of the candidate, his email address, phone number, course start date and course end date. So now I want that using these details, automatically a certificate should get generated for the specific candidate. Okay, so now we have to integrate this particular Google form with Pabbly Connect. But first, as it was mentioned in the instruction, we have to just make this last question as required for the trigger over here. We have to just make it required. Okay. Now let's move to the responses tab, and here you can see I don't have any responses. So in order to capture the response, we have to just click on this I button, preview, and here we are going to enter the details of a new participant. Okay. Let's give the name as demo participant. Okay, let's give the email address as demo@pabblytuts.com. Let's give the phone number over here. And let's select the course start date as 1st of October and the end date as 31st of October. Okay. Yes, 31st of October. And now let's click on submit. So the form has been filled. Now let's move back to the Google form. And here we can find that one response is received over here. Now, as it was mentioned that the Google form responses are collected in Google Sheets. So now we are going to link the Google Sheet. For that, we have to just click on these 3 dots and click on select response destination. Now it is asking us to create a new spreadsheet or you want to select the existing spreadsheet. So I'm just going to create a new spreadsheet and the name would be Pabbly Education Academy Responses. If you want to change the name, you can just change it over here and click on create. Linking to spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet is linked. Now to access the spreadsheet, we have to click on this green sign, view responses in sheets. Okay, and here we can find that the responses are captured in the Google Sheet. Here we can find the name of the participant as demo name, his email address, phone number, course start date and the course end date. Now we are going to integrate this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect so that the responses can be captured over here. For that, let's move to the Google Sheet, come to extensions, click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now it will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. And here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now you have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. As you can see that it is already installed, I'm just going to close this window. But remember, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Now again come to extensions, and this time we have to come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on initial setup. Now here it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here we have to just copy the webhook URL that we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So let's copy it and we'll be pasting the same over here. And now here it is asking for the trigger column. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here you can see that I have the data from column A till column F and I want the data to be captured till column F. So my trigger column will be column F over here. See, if you have the data till column H and you want the data to be captured till column H, then your trigger column will be column H over here. Okay, and now let's click on send test. Test data sent successfully. And now let's click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Okay, now let's close this window. And again come to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and this time click on send on event. So why we are selecting this option? Because next time whenever the form will be filled and whenever the details will be captured in this particular Google Sheet, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data. We don't have to link the details again and again. So make sure you have a tick mark on the send on event option over here. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see that the response is received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. We can find the name of the participant as demo participant, his email address, his phone number, course start date and the course end date also. And along with that, even the spreadsheet details are also captured. Okay, so now we want that using these details, automatically a new document should get generated into our form stack account using a template. For that, let's scroll down and let us integrate form stack documents with Pabbly Connect. So open this action window and here choose the application name as form stack documents. Select the action event as merge document. Click on connect. Click on add new connection, and now here it is asking for the API key and the secret key. Log into your form stack documents account. You can find your API key and the secret key from here. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink. And here we are redirected to our form stack documents account, and here we can find the key. So these are the test key details. So I'm just going to copy it and I'll be pasting the same over here. Okay, and let us copy the secret key also. Okay, and let us paste the same over here. Okay, and now let's click on save to create a connection. And now the form stack documents is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the documents that I have created into my form stack account. Okay, appointment letter, certificate and test. I'll just take you to my form stack documents, and here also you can find the same documents, that is appointment letter, certificate and test. So let's open the certificate over here. And here you can say that in this manner I have created a certificate. It is for Pabbly Education Academy. Certificate is proudly presented to, and here I want the participant's name, for successfully completing Java developer course from, and here I want to specify the dates, that is the start date and the end date of the course, sample name director. So here you can just generate a document as per your requirement. It is just a test document that I have created. Okay, so now we are going to use this certificate template document over here in Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking download document. Yes, I want to download it. So I'm just going to make it as yes. Now here it is asking for the name and the details that needs to be added to the specific document. So here we have to map the details that we have already got from our trigger response over here. That is the participant name, the start date and the end date. Okay, for mapping, scroll down, simply click it over here, come to the response of Google Forms and simply select the name from the drop down. In the same way, let us find the start date also. And here we'll be mapping the end date. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received, success as 1. It means the certificate is generated. And here even we have got a URL also. So the certificate URL is given over here. Okay, so now we want to share this certificate with the participant on his WhatsApp number. So let's integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect by clicking on this plus sign. And select the action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. Select the action event as send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So first you need to create a new WhatsApp Cloud API account. So how you can create it? For that we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can create a new account. Okay. So I'll just take you to the WhatsApp Cloud API account over here. So here you can see that I am logged in from developers.facebook.com. Okay. And here we have to just click on my apps. And here you have to just create a new app by clicking on this create app button. So here you can see that I've already created some apps, that is my Connect Message app, Cloud API setup, testing and others. So now I'm just going to access my app from here, that is my Connect Message app. And here on the left hand side we can find the products, that is webhooks and WhatsApp. To come to WhatsApp and click on getting started. Now here we can find the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you have to simply copy these details. You have to just paste it over here and you can just create a connection. But I want to give you an important information that here you can see that this is a temporary access token and this token will expire in 23 hours. So I would recommend you to generate a permanent access token to create a connection. Okay. So how you can generate a permanent access token? For that we have also created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can generate a permanent access token over here to create a connection. Okay. Now after filling all these details, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll just choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. And now the WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we need to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. And once the template is approved, then only we can use that specific template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account once again. And here when we scroll down, we can find to create your own message template, click here. So let's click on this hyperlink. And here you can see that I have created several templates and got it approved over here. Okay. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this create template button. So how you can create a message template, for that also we have a separate video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can create a template as per your requirement. Now here we are going to just access the template that I have already created and got it approved, that is certificate template. Okay. Participation certificate. So I'll just show you the template. In this way, I have generated a template. Hi, here I want the name of the participant to be displayed in first parameter. Okay, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed here the course name should get reflected. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards. And here I want the academy name to be displayed. So in this way, a message will be generated and it will be delivered to the participant. And here I have already added a header also. Header will be the document. So a PDF file will be sent along with this particular message. Okay. So we have to select the same template, that is participation certificate over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us find the same over here, that is participation certificate. Now here we can see that the language code and the template ID is automatically captured. So we are not going to make any changes. Now here it is asking for the recipient mobile number to whom we want to send the message. So here we have to map the WhatsApp number of the participant that we have got from our trigger response over here. Okay. So now we are going to map these details. So here let us map the WhatsApp number of the participant from our trigger response. Now here it is asking for the header document URL, that is the PDF file. So here we'll be mapping this URL that we have got from our form stack documents. Okay, so let us map the URL over here. Come to form stack documents and from here let us map the URL. Now here it is asking for the header document file name. What should be the file name? So I want the file name to be on the name of the participant and along with that certificate also. Okay. So the file name would be demo participant _ certificate. Now here we have to give the body field one, that is the name of the participant. That was demo participant. Here we have to give the course name. So let us give it as Java Developer Course. And here we have to give our institute or the academy name. So let us give it as Pabbly Education Academy. Okay, so we have entered all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. But as here I have used the testing mobile number, so I'm just going to pause my video and I'll be adding the actual mobile number over here to send the message on WhatsApp. Okay, so the message can be displayed over here. So the response is received, and now let's move to the WhatsApp. And here we have got the message as, "Hi demo participant, congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the Java developer course. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. Hope for a significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Pabbly Education Academy team." So here we can see that this particular message is generated for demo participant, which is correct. And here we have got demo participant underscore certificate, the file name also. Let us download the certificate and let us check whether a correct certificate is shared or not. So let's open the file, and here we can see that Pabbly Education Academy certificate is proudly presented to demo participant. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and here even we can find the start date as well as the end date also. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the form is filled and the details are captured in Pabbly Connect, automatically a new document will get created into your FormStack account, and the same certificate or the document will be shared on the WhatsApp number also. So now let us check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the Google form once again, and here we are going to just fill up the details on the name of some other participant. Let's give the name of the participant as dummy name. Let's give the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Let's enter the phone number over here. Let's give the course start date as 15th, this time 15th of October. And let us give the end date as 15th of November. Okay, let us select November month. Okay, 15th of November. Okay, and now let's click on submit. So the form has been filled. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of the participant. So as I have given the same WhatsApp number, just for the checking purpose, the message is received over here. And here we can see that this particular message is for dummy name participant. Congratulations, we are pleased to inform you. And here we can find the same message. And here we can find the file name as dummy name underscore certificate. Let us download the file and let us check whether a correct document is generated or not. And let's open the document also. Okay, and here we can see that this particular document or the certificate is generated for dummy name this time for Java developer course. And here we can find the start date as 15th October till 15th of November. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, and now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize the trigger window also. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new form is filled, automatically the form submission details are captured in Pabbly Connect. Then using those details, we have created a new document in our FormStack Documents account, and the same document was shared with the participant on the WhatsApp number. And in this way, we have learned that how we can merge Google Form responses in FormStack documents, and we can send them on WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.